So as far as COBIT learning is concerned today, we are going to discuss about what are the list of certifications which are part of COBIT certifications. There were a couple of, because depends on the experience that we carry. So different certifications generally we use. The first certification, which is called CISA, which is stands for Certified Information Systems Audit. Right. So this is one of the certification. Majorly, this certification is uh, prominently used in the even in the IT as well as in the management itself, which majorly focuses more on auditing, controlling, as well as monitoring and assessing the organization's information technology and as well as business systems, especially from CISA point of view, because whatever the key skill sets that we require, so which majorly used for IT people even, right? So when we want to have a professional growth in this career of auditing and all that stuff, means if you want to um, perform any kind of role relating to auditing purpose or any kind of controlling or monitoring and assessing the organization's information technology, the CISA is one of the certification which an IT professionals can perform. The second certification, one of the other certification, which is called AIA, which stands for Advanced and Audited Advanced AI Audit. Right. So this is one of the certification we have. Normally, this kind of certification, especially even for IT professionals, even because if you want to navigate any complexities of artificial intelligence, uh, at the same time, if you want to assess any kind of risk identifying opportunities, and if you want to ensure any compliances to safeguard organizational integrity, at the same time, if you want to build any kind of ISACS trusted expertise in IT auditing and as well as rigorous standards relating to the credentials like CISC, CIA, CPA. This certification is majorly useful for them. And this certification validates with expertises, right? So in conducting majorly for yeah, artificial intelligence focused audits, majorly addressing any AI integration challenges or enhancing any kind of audit processes. For that purpose, WIA is being used. One more certification which we can see is called CASL, which stands for Certified Information Security Manager. So this is also prominent certification, CISM certifications and all, which majorly provides expertise in information security governance. People who are in that category. At the same time, even in any program development side, or program development or management side, or any kind of incident management side, or any kind of risk management side. So, being an IT professional, if you are in this kind of role, the CASM certification, one of the prominent popular certifications now and then, IT, especially senior management, want to aspire any senior management roles in the field of IT security control. So this certification is majorly used in this regard. So this is what generally CISM certification is all about. So after CISM certification, the next one about AAISM. This is also one of the prominent one, which is called Advanced in AI Security Management. Advanced in AI Security Management. This is also one of the certification. Majorly validates the experience of knowledge of CASM and as well as CASSP holders. Majorly, this is especially for AI specific security issues or any AI transformation or opportunities. At the same time, if you want to create credentials like to building any kind of existing security management practices and also focusing on any kind of associated threats landscapes for risk profiling, right? So majorly to implement effective leverage towards AI towards security operations. This WISM is being used for that. Next, one more certification we see, this, which is called CGEIT. This is also one of the one called Certified in Governance of Enterprise IT. Okay, this is another certification we have. So this is uh, majorly focusing on the IT governance certification, where it creates a kind of mindset in such a way to assess as well as designing, implementing any enterprise IT governance systems from the management perspective, so that we must align this with the kind of business goals we want to achieve, overall business goals, and all that stuff. For that purpose, generally, CGEAT certification is being used. One more certification we have, which is called CRIC. Okay, stands for Certified in Risk and Information Systems Control. Okay, this is one more certification. Majorly, if we want to have any expertise in the identifying and managing any enterprise IT risk and implementation, maintenance of information systems control, right? So uh, if you want to have some credibility over with CISRC or in that regard, generally this certification is majorly useful for that, because this is focused more on the risk and as well as system control certification. For that purpose, generally CRISC is being used. Next certification, one more we have, which is called CDPSC. Okay. This CDPSC majorly a certification, majorly for any privacy laws and regulations for any organizations to implement any privacy by design or any kind of default IT systems, networks, and applications. In this purposes, generally CDPSC is being used. Uh, I can say this certification for general uh, any like any partnering with any software development or system any network engineering applications for the database purpose. So this is used here. Uh, this is about CDPSC. Next one about eighth one, which is called CCUA, which is we will call it as CCUA, which is a certified cyber security site. So this is focusing on the certified cyber security operation. operations analyst. This is what generally CCOA is all about. Certified Cybersecurity Operation Analyst, which majorly focusing on the technical skills so that we want to evaluate any kind of threats or identifying any vulnerabilities. Followed by this, if you want to recommend any countermeasures to prevent cybersecurity incidents. So, for that purpose, because even imparting AI is also becoming inevitable in the field of cybersecurity now and then, slowly. So, if we want to have any kind of career towards cybersecurity analyst, okay, wherein you want to become any critical in protecting any digital ecosystems, which majorly specializes in understanding what, right? So understanding where and how the cybersecurity incidents have been taken place, how this can be addressed, and how this can be minimized. Followed by this identifying any kind of patterns or anomalies. At the same time, whatever the indicators of compromises. So for this purpose, generally the CCOA, I recommend this certification majorly for any persons who wants to be part of cybersecurity analyst roles. So for them, generally CCOA certification will be used. So these are the major, right? So there were a couple of events, but still these are the major list of certification, especially in the COBIT is all about. As I stated earlier, repeating the same, CASA is majorly for system auditing purpose. CCOA is majorly for analyst roles that we are moving on. And AI related stuff, WIA we have. At the same time, WISM is also there. These are all when we are transforming into IT, when organizations are transforming into AI side. So to protect the security of the systems infrastructure. So these certifications are used. Even to have from the security management side, CASM is one of the common prominent certification we use now and then. So these are the major things which are part of it.